Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add music to Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Clipchamp, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, the brand kit, and also the templates. And here you're going to find all of your folders. Right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to create a new video. And here you can create a video with AI. So right now I'm going to click on create a new video. Once you click on create a new video, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your video. So right now we're going to click on import media to add a video from the computer. So I'm going to add this one. And then once you add your video, if you want to add it to the timeline, you can either click on the plus icon right here, or you can just drag the video like this. So once you add a video, if you want to add music to it, it's pretty easy. You need to do just the same steps. Go ahead and click on import media, then choose the music you want to add. For example, I'm gonna add this one. Then once you add it, go ahead and drag it like this. And this is how you can do it. If you want to see all of the options for the audio you added, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you can find audio. You can adjust the volume of the music. Here you can add some effects like fade in or fade out. And you can also adjust the speed of the music. And then once you finish, just go ahead and click on export in order to save your video. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.